Install VMware Workstation 16 player in Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start by opening Firefox. And go to https://products/workstation-player/workstation-player-evaluation.html and scroll down to Try Workstation Player for Linux. Click Download Now. Save file and OK. Then click the little download icon in the upper right corner. Now click on the folder to open the location. Right-click the file. Select Properties. Go to Permissions and check Allow Executing File as a Program, and then close this box. Then right-click the file again, select Rename, and highlight the whole name of the file, including the .bundle extension. Right-click it, select Copy. Then in the white space, right-click, select Open in Terminal. Then type sudo // and paste in the name of the file. You can close these windows now and start VMware Workstation. Okay, if you get this new C compiler version 9.3 was not found, open another terminal and type sudo apt update and then type sudo apt install build-essential. Okay, when that's done, you can close all the windows and try to launch VMware Player again. Okay, click Install. Okay, click I accept and then next. I accept and then next. Click yes and then next. I'm going to click no and then next. Click use VMware Player for free for non-commercial use and then click finish. Then click OK. And then you can do remind me later or skip this version, and I'm going to click skip this version. Okay, I've successfully installed VMware Workstation 16 Player in Ubuntu 20.04. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.